In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download the Endnote free trial on your MacBook in just a few simple steps. First, open your preferred browser. I'm using Brave, but you can use whichever one you like. Next, search for Endnote download. From the results, click on the official Endnote website. I'll also leave the link in the description of the video. Once you're on the site, you'll see options to purchase or try Endnote for free. Click on Try Endnote for free. You'll find all the details about the license. Next, click on Start Your Free Trial Today under the Full License option. After clicking, you'll be asked to enter your details. Fill out the form and click Next to continue. Don't worry if it asks for your credit card details. You can enter them, or simply select PayPal. They won't charge your account until the free trial ends. Next, review the privacy policy and terms of use. Once you've done that, click Buy Now. This will activate the free trial. Your free trial of Endnote will then begin downloading automatically. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Endnote free trial on your Mac. Enjoy using the software.